YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have this honey blonde wig unit sent from Unice hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So to get into the specs, they sent this over in their ByeBye slip wig cap construction in a 24-inch. This is also a 13x4 lace frontal wig unit in a Waterwave texture. And again, this is a honey blonde wig, and if you guys are wondering of the density, this is 150% density wig according to the website. Now I would have to say, normally I don't like Unice's 150% density wig units. However, this one does appear to be fuller than 150% density, so I just want to make sure that I'm being completely honest when it comes to the density, you guys. I didn't have any issues with the density at all. I think that it was a pretty fluffy wig unit. Also, this wig does come with the adhesive tapes on the edges. However, for this hair review, I just did not, I just could not peel it off easy enough. So I literally just took them off and used the my adhesive spray, and I just placed it right where the adhesive tapes were. So you get the same look, same feel, or whatever. You know, you just have to wait for it to dry, which is fine. But I just didn't feel like fidgeting with the adhesive tapes. So yeah, but anyways, I'm just gonna go in with my foundation and make sure I tint the lace. I did tint it on top, underneath. I did tint it underneath, but I didn't go in on top, so that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm just going to fix up my wig. Now I do want to let you guys know that I did go in and curl define this wig unit before this hair tutorial, you guys. So what you're looking at is pretty much the raw texture of the hair. And of course, it is a water wave texture, and I feel like with water wave textures, sometimes the curl, it's not as curly, if you get what I mean, for the curl to really stay. So once you brush out the curls, it's going to get a little bit more frizzy and fuzzy, depending on how you like your hair. So for me, I like to pull my hair out. I don't really like fixed hair. I like messy hair. So as you guys could see, my hair came out a little bit more frizzy or whatever or whatnot, but I would say that the top of the hair, like the frontal area, of course it would need a little bit more, you know, oils or maybe like curl defining, because I felt like it got just a little too frizzy up there at the top in just certain spots, as you guys could see, because I pulled the hair out evenly or whatever. But as you guys could see, this side here is much more defined than the top. So I don't know, I did go in with some oils and made sure to, you know, place the oil on there to tame down some of the frizz or whatever, whatnot. But I guess it's just frizzy in certain areas, you guys. However, I really do like the color that they did on this wig unit and the blend as well. It's really, really pretty. The highlights are very pretty, you guys. And I would love for this to be in like a maybe like a deep wave, or even just getting it into like a spiral curly wand curls. I think it'll be really, really pretty. So you can definitely do a lot with this wig unit, because it's honestly not too curly of a texture. So you can definitely get some versatile looks out of it, such as going straight, maybe even putting a crimper to it if you like that water wave look, you guys. I don't know, I think that is like a really cute wig. I might keep this wig unit for myself, because I know that I can do some things with it, and I really do think that, you know, this color goes very well with my skin. So also keep in mind that this wig did go through a bleaching job, so you want to make sure that you're using really good conditioners and shampoos to treat this hair, you guys. And just make sure you give it some extra love, because it is processed hair. So yeah, that's pretty much all that I have for you guys. Let me know what you guys think of the look, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. These are dream rules.
problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and then she could pull out all the little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen it like this, didn't think it existed.